My wife just left the matrimonial house, and I know that she is going to be filing cases on me and my family members. I am okay facing the wrath of my wife, but pray to God, I do not want my old aged parents, my innocent brother, sister, to be facing any false allegations by my wife. What can I preemptively do to keep their name out of it? You will be told that you should have your parents disown you, you should have your mother file a maintenance case on you, you should do XYZ other things, but frankly, my response to all husbands is that number one, it is not possible for you to do anything that can keep your family members' names out of the cases filed by the wife. She merely needs to go and say, Mr. X, Mr. Y, Mr. Z, and Mr. PQR and ABC, they did these things to me. And then, on the basis of just those allegations, the police will be calling all of these individuals. The courts will be summoning all of these individuals. However, my question to ask is this: if they are appearing before the police and before the courts pursuant to the summons issued by the police and the courts, is it going to be a difficulty? Are relatives going to be arrested? Nowadays, 99.99999% of the times, relatives who are put to allegations by the wife are not taken into custody by the police. And even in matters in courts of law, relatives cannot be asked to pay maintenance to the wife. At max, a domestic violence case registered under Section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act, where the wife is claiming damages, compensation from them. Plus, maybe perhaps she's seeking the right to reside in a house which is partly or completely owned by such a relative or by the husband. These are the reliefs that can be sought. So things can be manageable, things can be dealt with. It is not that they have to pay compensation in 2 days, 2 months, or 2 years. These cases also go on for several years. To cut a long story short, what I'm saying is it is not possible for you to do something to preemptively get your names of relatives, parents, siblings out of any possible cases filed by the wife. And the example that I gave is Amish Agarwal sitting over here could file an allegation against you, the viewer, saying that they gave me mental torture, harm, or they assaulted me physically or whatever. But is it difficult to deal with these allegations if you play the right legal strategy? Not at all.